How to quickly relieve and ease a cough with spices that you have in your kitchen. If your cough prolonged and doesn't seem to get well, you might have been treating your cough the wrong way. Many over-the-counter drugs for coughs might not actually be helping, and may in fact make it worse. Instead of buying OTC cough syrup that might not actually have a positive effect on your cough or your health, why not try natural spices that you might already have in your kitchen? One of the most effective spices that I've encountered that helps to relieve and ease a cough almost instantly is turmeric. Turmeric contains several properties which act to reduce inflammation. It is also an antibacterial and antiviral agent, making it an effective treatment for coughs associated with the cold or flu. Turmeric has specifically been tested for its ability to treat symptoms of respiratory disease, including coughing, shortness of breath, and phlegm. Best of all, research shows that this natural remedy doesn't produce unwanted side effects. 2 types of cough and their treatments. 1. Damp cough. Damp cough, aka wet or productive cough, is the kind that brings up a lot of phlegm and mucus out of your lungs and respiratory tract. It might start with a rattling in your chest as you cough. You actually don't want to stop damp coughs, since they help to clear your body of sickness. Instead, you can focus on speeding up the process of expelling phlegm from your body. If you have a child who doesn't like coughing up phlegm, encourage them to spit out any mucus that they bring up when coughing. This homemade spice tea is designed to help a damp cough. What you need: half a teaspoon ginger powder, 1 pinch clove powder, 1 pinch cinnamon powder, 1 to 2 cups water. What to do? Boil water. Stir in ginger, clove, and cinnamon powders until dissolved. Cool it a little and drink it as warm as you can. 2. Dry cough. A dry cough, on the other hand, doesn't produce any phlegm or mucus. Instead, it feels scratchy and irritable, as if there is something in the throat. The more you cough, the more you want to cough. Dry coughs can leave your throat feeling raw and sore, not to mention tired and wheezy. This type of cough actually requires calming, since it doesn't do much good to your body. Over the course of a cold, you may notice that a cough may start out as damp, but after a few days, becomes an annoying dry cough. That is when you know you will have to switch remedies. Use a home remedy designed to soothe dry coughs instead. Studies show that coughing is associated with airway inflammation. This recipe is anti-inflammatory, and helps calm the tickling, scratchy sensation by treating the root of the problem. This is unlike over-the-counter dry cough drugs that work by tricking the brain into stopping the urge to cough, without reducing any of the respiratory inflammation. What you need: 8 ounces of very warm water, pinch of sea salt or Himalayan salt, 2 pinches of turmeric powder. What to do? Mix salt, turmeric, and water in the glass with a spoon. Gargle for about 15 to 20 seconds, spit out. Repeat until you've gargled the whole glass full. Knowing what kind of cough you or your child has will prepare you to treat it appropriately. Keep these spices in your kitchen cupboard instead of unreliable cough syrups that contain a lot of sugar. They're the safest, fastest, and smartest choice.